Hey everyone, it's Ben here with your early August weekly stock update. This week stands out as a pivotal moment in the market, from major inflation data to explosive earnings for growth names. If you're wondering where to focus, I've got four equities I'm tracking closely, plus a high-risk, high-reward bonus microcap on my radar. Here's the game plan. I'll break down why each deserves attention this week, highlighting the strongest catalysts and key risk zones. Let's jump in. The market context this week: market center August with a tug of war between inflation fears and AI optimism. Upcoming July CPI released August 12th could reignite volatility if the headline or core print surprises. Many Fed officials just wrapped up their late July meeting, signaling a data-dependent tone. We'll have speeches from Fed speakers like Chair Powell this week that may recalibrate markets, especially if inflation remains sticky. The geopolitical stage is heating up. New tariffs are set to take effect midweek unless a US-China deal stalls them, and that would rattle tech and manufacturing sectors. Overall sentiment is cautious, but any upside in corporate earnings, particularly from growth and AI plays, could swiftly shift the tone. Here are the key catalysts to watch. CPI readings August 12th, Fed speakers queue and a major earnings releases, especially growth or AI names. Tariff headlines and US-China developments. Now let's look at the four stocks on high watch this week. Stock number one, SoFi Technologies. What is SoFi? A digital-first financial platform offering loans, banking, investing, and now a crypto wallet. They've steadily grown their member base to over 11 million and rolled out new tools like budgeting and brokerage. Why it is hot this week? Fresh off a stunning July 29th Q2 report, GAAP net income reached 97 million, EPS was 8 cents, well above guidance, driving a nearly 20% surge in the stock. They also issued upgraded 2025 revenue guidance, anticipating $3.38 billion, 10%, and crypto trading relaunch. With international remittance on deck, fundamentals and developments, revenue growth of 44% year-over-year, personal loan originations surged 66% year-over-year. They've added 850K new members in Q2. Crypto trading and AI add-ons are in pilot phase. Technicals broke out above $25.0 with strong volume. Support range 22.50 23.00. Resistance near 27.50 28.00. Next leg high. Bull vs risk. Bull. Diverse revenue streams. Solid earnings. Beat. Growth across lending or investing or cards. Risk, crypto, and debit card initiatives hinge on approvals. Regulatory volatility. Valuation at 5 sales. My view: I'm modestly long from the $23 handle, targeting $30 on momentum. We'll tighten stops below $23. Stock number two, Palantir Technologies. Business model: enterprise or defense software specializing in AI-powered data analytics and decisioning. Heavyweights in government contracts plus growing commercial verticals. Growth and updates. Up 110 year to date as of late July. Massive revenue backlog gives multi-quarter visibility. Commercial AI platform scaling fast across healthcare and energy sectors. This week's catalyst: Q2 earnings coming Monday, August 4th after close. Management commentary around commercial AI revenue mix, margin profile, pricing will be a key swing factor. Valuation and analyst sentiment. Analysts currently have a hold rating on Palantir stock with an average price target of $96.45, suggesting a potential downside of -37.48% from the current price. Some analysts have raised their price targets recently, reflecting a bullish outlook based on Palantir's AI-driven growth. Here's my take on Palantir stock. I see Palantir as a moderate risk. Valuation is rich, but if the commercial AI ramp is real, a re-rate is possible. I'm watching for upside surprise in no new S or commercial bookings. Those will validate future guidance. My stock number three, Advanced Micro Devices. Market position: leading player in semis and high-performance AI GPUs, pitched as Nvidia competitor with its Instinct Me 350 series and robust software stack. Major AI workloads continue to favor CUDA, but AMD's team is catching up with Me 350 and aggressive pricing. New partnerships in Middle East, for example, human and cloud providers, indicate visible market share expansion. This week, Q2 earnings are scheduled for Tuesday, August 5th after close. Will be the first real test in 2025 of AMD's AI put-through strategy. Relative strength has improved, but big moves likely to come post-earnings. I have a number of AMD call options. My strategy going into earning is to trim my position and look to add after earnings. My stock number 4 is Nvidia. The tech giant currently boasts a market capitalization of $4.24 trillion, making it the world's most valuable company by this metric. Next earnings report is expected on Wednesday, August 27, 2025, after market close. This report will cover the fiscal quarter ending July 2025. This is what I'm watching out for when it comes to Nvidia. Watch Nvidia for AI and data center demand, especially from hyperscalers, margin pressure from competition, and forward guidance on revenue and capex. I see Nvidia continue to climb at least until earnings later this month. I will hold my options and look signs of weakness before trimming my position. Now the bonus stock is Big Bear AI. Big Bear AI develops cross-domain, edge-capable AI software. Think sensor fusion, modeling and simulation, digital twins, predictive analytics, cybersecurity, and biometric identity or authentication tools. Their goal is to help clients make faster, data-grounded decisions in complex environments such as battlefield operations or global logistics networks. Why I'm watching, not buying. I'm on the sidelines here watching flow and unusual options activity around for 5 strikes. If you're swing trading, volume and contract wins might offer fast in and out. Just don't risk core portfolio capital. Final thoughts: AI is still the essence of momentum, but earnings must still deliver substance. Marketing alone won't cut it now. SoFi proves fintech can have real earnings, not just story multiples. Palantir stands at AI commercialization inflection. Guidance matters more than stock price. After 100% gain, AMD versus Nvidia is the re-rating game for 2025. Who can capture enough AI wallet share to justify multiples? Macroeconomic backdrop: inflation and trade policy remains the wobbliest support ring beneath all this high beta action. Reminder: this is not financial advice. Investors should do due diligence, read earnings transcripts, consider valuation, and evaluate risk tolerance before placing bets. Which of these are you watching or already holding? Drop a comment with your thoughts. It helps me figure out where to dig deeper. If this video or script helped you shape ideas for the week, hit like or subscribe or follow. Let's stay sharp and make smart moves this week.